These are the elevators at the Denver International Airport, Denver, Colorado. These are the parking elevators. Let's go to 1. Oh, we're stopping on 5. Going down?
Okay. 100.
All right.
Four. The back? The internet. Google, no, I thought somebody brought it back from France or something. Oh, yeah. Oh, gee, that was yes. Anna Marie. No? I sent her texts, I sent her emails, and I get nothing from her. I have to call her. Go ahead, go on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go back up to 6. Oh, are you going up?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day. It is a Montgomery Kone elevator. All right, here we are back up at 6. Now we're going to go to 5. Let's go to cab view. Pretty nice. Fixtures, floor indicator, foam.